There are few nutrients that have been more in the spotlight than vitamin D. Also called the sunshine vitamin, since our bodies naturally produce it when exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D plays a vital role in several bodily functions, including bone health, immune support, mood regulation, and more. However, like many other nutrients, vitamin D comes in various forms. The two major forms are vitamin D2 and vitamin D3, and each is unique in how it gets absorbed and utilized in your body. Keep reading to uncover the numerous health benefits of vitamin D, the differences between vitamin D2 and D3, and whether you should supplement one over the other. What happens to your body when you take vitamin D every day? Health benefits of vitamin D. Before exploring the key differences between vitamin D2 and D3, let's examine how this essential nutrient can support your well-being and vitality. It may promote bone health. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, a mineral essential for bone strength. When you have enough vitamin D, your bones can use calcium efficiently, reducing your risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Trista Best, RD, a registered dietitian with Balance One supplements, tells Eating Well, vitamin D plays a vital role in calcium absorption, contributing to the development and maintenance of healthy bones and teeth. It helps prevent conditions like osteoporosis and rickets. It can support your immune system research, including a 2020 study in Nutrients, suggests that vitamin D helps strengthen your immune system by making it more effective at fighting off bacteria and viruses. Vitamin D modulates the immune system, helping the body defend against infections and diseases. It may reduce the risk of respiratory infections and autoimmune diseases, says Best. It may help regulate your mood, according to a 2022 study in Current Nutrition Reports. Getting enough of the sunshine vitamin may lead to better mood regulation and a lower risk of depression. Sunlight exposure triggers vitamin D production in your skin, which may explain why some people experience seasonal mood changes during darker months. Adequate levels of vitamin D are associated with a lower risk of depression and may help alleviate symptoms in some individuals, states Best. It may improve cardiovascular health. A 2021 review in Clinical Nutrition found that vitamin D can help support better cardiovascular health by helping regulate blood pressure, supporting healthy blood vessel function, and reducing inflammation. It may support muscle function. Vitamin D helps regulate calcium levels in muscle cells, which is crucial for muscle contraction and relaxation. Vitamin D is important for muscle function and may help prevent muscle weakness and pain, Best explains. It's especially relevant for older adults who want to maintain strength and reduce fall risk. What is vitamin D2? When plants and fungi are exposed to ultraviolet light, for example sunlight, they produce vitamin D2, also called ergocalciferol. It's commonly used in fortified foods like dairy, plant-based milk alternatives, and dietary supplements. Vitamin D2 is a form of vitamin D derived from plant sources, particularly fungi and yeast, says Best. Unlike vitamin D3, which is obtained from animal sources, vitamin D2 is synthesized by irradiating ergosterol found in these plant-based organisms. It's commonly used as a vegan or vegetarian alternative to vitamin D3. It is often used to fortify foods such as plant-based milk alternatives, orange juice, and breakfast cereals. What is vitamin D3? Vitamin D3, or cholecalciferol, is made in your skin when it's exposed to sunlight. It's the most bioavailable and effective form for raising vitamin D blood levels. Vitamin D3 is synthesized in the skin in response to sunlight exposure and can also be obtained from certain animal-based foods, says Best. Vitamin D3 plays a fundamental role in maintaining optimal bone health by facilitating the absorption of calcium and phosphorus. What to look for in a vitamin D supplement? There are several things to look for in a vitamin D supplement, but the number one thing to look for is whether it contains vitamin D2 or vitamin D3. Here are a few reasons why that's important to consider, and tips to help you choose what's right for you. Absorption. The liver converts vitamin both D2 and D3 into calcidiol, but the two forms differ in their absorption rates. Vitamin D2 is considered less effective in raising and maintaining blood levels of vitamin D compared to vitamin D3, and it may not be used as efficiently by your body, explains Best. Vitamin D3, on the other hand, is generally more effective at increasing and sustaining blood levels of vitamin D, making it the preferred form for supplementation, especially when higher doses are needed. Potency. Vitamin D3 is the preferred supplement option since it's more bioavailable than vitamin D2. While both forms contribute to bone health, immune system function, and other physiological processes, vitamin D2 may require higher doses to achieve similar effects compared to vitamin D3, says Best. Source vitamin D2 originates from fungi. It starts as a plant-based ergosterol and then transforms into vitamin D2 after exposure to the sun. Conversely, vitamin D3 is synthesized in the skin when you soak up sunlight, or obtained from eating animal-based foods like fatty fish, eggs, dairy, and liver. So if you avoid animal products, you may want to choose a supplement that uses vitamin D2 instead of D3, though it may not be absorbed as efficiently.